Hi again. Sorry for the delay between videos. I went to a different country for fun because that's a thing that people do. Anyway, I'm home now and I'm working on the game again, also working on my job. I feel like my boss would be annoyed if I didn't show up. I have some minor but actual kind of progress this time, so instead of time lapses of me coding, I'll just show you that the video is not going to be that long. So I decided on a color palette for my game. It's called EPT32. I think that's how it's intended to be pronounced. It's got 32 colors, as the name suggests, and I'm going to try my best to stick to this, but maybe I'll change it down the line if it looks bad. I quite like it. I use Paint.net for my texturing, and it supports palettes, so I'll put it into there. Although in the future I might start using aseprite because it's aseprite. It's really good. I've probably take some time to get used to it though, since I'm so used to Paint.net, but maybe having something that's actually going to help me will help. But unfortunately, that costs money. So, well, here's also my signature diamond icon in this color palette. I quite like it. I think it fits the thing. It's a good color palette. So, yeah, we're sticking to this. I also started on Spritestacking, which is how a lot of this game is going to be rendered. If you haven't heard of it, it's a really cool effect that uses slices to make a bunch of 2D textures look 3D even though they aren't. I made my diamond with this too, it took ages. So here's that just rotating and spinning and moving up and down according to a sine wave function. Here's the texture sheet as well. As you can see, it's just a bunch of abstract rectangles, but they're actually layers. I drew each of these twice to make it appear taller, but I added a parameter to the sprite stack class to control how many times each layer is drawn to come to the same effect. I also have notably made the camera system. It took a while to figure out and a lot of looking at how other people have done it. Cameras are one of the three main things that I dreaded making, the others being physics and collision, which I haven't done yet, and a scene management system. Speaking of, I did that too. It's literally just done as I'm writing the script and reading it. It's the last thing I did before deciding I hadn't done enough for a video. Anyway, that's all for now. Sorry for the gap in uploads. I literally couldn't work on it. I was very far away from my desk. As always though, please leave a like if you will like the video and consider subscribing. It means a lot to me and it helps grow attention to this little project. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.